Hi everybody, I'm Stacey here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, inviting you to become part of the Scrapbooking Made Simple YouTube community. Now, who is Scrapbooking Made Simple? Well, we're a small independent mom and pop retail store located here in Canyon Country, California, who also happens to have an online presence. I teach full-length commercial-free classes every Saturday morning that incorporate new products from manufacturers you may have never seen before, along with things you already have in your crafty arsenal. So, we ask you to subscribe to our channel. Just hit the little heart right over here that says SMS. Become part of our family and join us every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. sunny California time, 11 a.m. in New York, or 4 p.m. in the United Kingdom for the next Saturday with Stacey YouTube class. We sure hope to see you there. Bye.